Doing a great job. Oh, that's gonna be good. What kind of cake is this?
Carrot cake.
Yeah.
Me and Daddy are making cake, and I am going to. Daddy is spreading out oil, and he is putting it in the pot, spreading out the oil in the pot and pan, and we're going to put this cake thing into the pot. And
Right, you ready to put the cake in?
yeah.
Okay, now Genevieve is pouring the cake batter into the pan, and we're gonna do that before putting it in the oven. We're making this cake for... Why are we making this cake?
For Mommy's birthday.
When's Mommy's birthday?
Her birthday is tomorrow on Tuesday.
Cool, hold on. Oh, that looks good.
Daddy's scraping the cake out, and he is going to make a cake with me for Mommy's birthday, and I think Mommy's gonna like her numbers on it.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Charlie. Happy birthday to you.
Cha cha cha.
Cha cha cha.
Ta ta ta.